Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook page name. Before start the video, I will request you, please subscribe us and press the bell icon to get all notifications about our latest videos. First of all, I will go to my Facebook account. Now you need to go to your Facebook page. So click on this drop-down menu and click on the Facebook page you want to change the name. Then scroll down and click on the About tab. Now you can see here, name. Just click on the edit. You can see here, current page name and new page name. Now you can change your new page name. But your new Facebook page name should not differ much than the previous one. So I change the name like this. Then click on continue. Click on request change. They are reviewing your name change request. Click on OK. If your request is reasonable, they will approve your request. You can see, they approved my request within 2 minutes. So thank you so much for watching, and if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know, I will try my best to help you. I will put all the details in the description, so check on the description. Thanks for watching. If you are thinking this video will be helpful for you, please hit the like button. So don't forget to subscribe us and tell us your opinion in the comment section below. It will be very useful for me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.